Okay, so my project was to look at ClassDojo. So as you can see, I've already created an account. So over here we have, I created a demo class to help us out. I'm not in signed in at a school because I'm not a teacher yet, but you can do that over here. But in this class, you see all of your students on here. I actually had fun making this one. I needed Half-Blood, the books. And so you can add students on here by typing them in here. You can, here at the bottom, there is attendance, so you can click that and you can mark everyone present, or you can mark them unpresent, missing, etc., or late. Save attendance, and then you can also give students points. So if I want to give Jason here a point, he's working hard, so I'm going to give him 1 point for working hard. You can give multiple students points at one time by clicking all of them here, and then add a note. You can say good job or something like that. Give feedback, teamwork here. You can also create groups here, so I'll create another group. We'll just call it the gods. Okay. And then you can add the people you would like to that group, however many, whoever you want to add in there. It's pretty simple. Create group, and then you can give points to the group. And you can also, I accidentally, award group here. You can give them participation. So you can also click on a student and you can invite their parents here. There are other ways you can do that, but you can also give negative points. I don't have any made on here because most people tend to want to just give positive feedback, but so you can do that. We'll go back to the class. So then other things down here, you can also click random down here, and it'll pick a random student to make sure you are giving points to everyone so no one feels left out. There's also a timer button down here, so you can, if this is up on your screen, on your board, whatever, you can have a timer here for say that's how long you want them to work on a certain thing. You can invite families here too, or invite families here as well. And if you also can get messages, and this is a class story where they can post things and you can post good feedback on here. You can edit the class. You can remove and add students here as well. And then you have info. You can name the class, the grade, etc. Add their families here as well. Skills, you can create more skills. So if I'm a math teacher, I could say they did a good job simplifying. Sorry. And you can add points, whatever you want to do with that. Positive points only, no points, all that. You can also add another teacher to be a co-teacher in the classroom. So that's ClassDojo. I feel like it's a good way to show the students that you are watching and making sure they're keeping track of their work, and it also awards them for being persistent, working hard, staying on track. I feel like it's really good for that as well. I like that you can see all of them, and they have stories too. On Well, I already showed you that. The class story, where you can post, they can post. But yeah, there's also Toolkit down here, but that's usually used for the app, like on a phone or iPad or something like that, which is also useful for when you're walking around the class and you want to award points while you're walking around and not necessarily at your desk. So that's ClassDojo. I had fun learning about it, so I hope y'all will use it in the future.